when you want to adjust a needle position on a Singer sewing machine, particularly the one we're using today is the Singer CE677, is first when you're on a straight stitch, you can look up to where your adjustment for stitch width is, and it's not really width when you're here, but it's needle position. See that little dotted oval above 3.5? There's a needle above it. So as I touch the plus, I'm seeing that little needle move to the right, and I can also see and hear my needle moving down here at the foot. So the question is, why would I even need to sew at different needle positions? Let me give you a couple suggestions. So first, if I just need to get it back to normal, remember, just reselect the stitch you're using. If it's a straight stitch, touch stitch number 1. It brings your needle back to the center, and if you've adjusted the stitch length, it also will return to the default setting. So normally you would use the needle in the center of the foot. At times, when you want to sew really close to the edge of the fabric, if you move your whole entire fabric to the edge, where half the foot is on and half the foot is not, you kind of see you're going down the fabric sideways. So instead, have as much of the fabric underneath the presser foot. Remember the feed dogs underneath? Now both feed dogs can easily pull the fabric in, but now let's move the needle to the far right needle position, and now we'll get that perfect stitch really close to the edge. Sometimes we'll move our needle position over when we're doing a blind hem, and you do have a blind hem foot that comes with this machine. If you're stitching in the ditch or doing any top stitching, sometimes you might find yourself wanting your needle a little to the right or a little to the left, and that will also give you that perfect look. So just note, needle position is for when you are using a straight stitch, which that can actually be any of the first 3 stitches. So that will appear there, and the rest will, oh, actually number 4 is also included in that because we don't adjust the stretch stitch width, but everything else is going to eliminate that little picture at the top and it'll let you use this feature as actual width. So this part here has dual purpose, and that is one thing people kind of forget, but if you are looking for needle position, this is exactly what you need to know. And plus, did you notice how many needle positions you have? There's actually quite a few. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to each side. So 7 plus 7 plus 1. So there you go. You have 15 needle positions on this machine. If you're looking for all the other videos that we have done, check out the playlist in the link below in the description, plus other things that we recommend for this machine, for bobbins, for needles, for cleaning. You will find everything you need in the description below.